Hey there, welcome back to our channel and I hope you guys are doing well. तो अभी बज रहे हैं रात के 3 बज रहे हैं और हम बैठे हैं हैदराबाद एयरपोर्ट पे। हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
अंडमान्स।
Finally first trip of 2026 and आई एम श्योर आप में से बहुत लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि यार संयुक्ता के व्लॉग्स को क्या हो गया, क्यों नहीं डाल रही आजकल। तो हमने थोड़ा अपना स्ट्रैटेजी चेंज किया है भाई। हम अगर कहीं ट्रिप पे जाएंगे या कुछ मज़ेदार कर रहे हैं तभी हम व्लॉग्स करेंगे, नहीं तो बोरिंग व्लॉग्स हम नहीं करने वाले हैं।
हाँ, क्योंकि हमने सोचा कि थोड़ा लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट पे हम सिलेक्टिव होंगे। चैनल हम शॉर्ट कंटेंट लॉन्ग दोनों ही डालते रहेंगे एंड फॉर द डेली स्लाइस ऑफ लाइफ कॉमेडी और खाना इधर उधर घूमना आसपास तो शॉर्ट ठीक है, बट फॉर सच ग्रैंड वंस लाइक अंडमान्स वी थॉट लेट्स गेट बैक टू द लॉन्ग वंस। एक्साइटेड, इट्स अ वीक लॉन्ग ट्रिप।
एक हफ्ता छुट्टी लिए है टू गो ट्रिपल ओ गाइस, ट्रिपल ओ आउट ऑफ ऑफिस। सो लेट्स गो टू अंडमान्स and we'll take you guys along with us. And we have finally reached to Port Blair. We have officially reached Andaman. अब हम एग्जिट कर रहे हैं। देखते पाच्छे की अगर आपको प्लेन से सुंदर नज़ारा देखना है ऑफ द आइलैंड्स, देन डू बुक योर सीट्स ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द प्लेन so that you can see it from the window, left side of the plane. Remember, the view was too good and it is literally worth it, so pay that extra money and book your seats. We reached our hotel and literally slept for like 2 hours and it was so refreshing and needed because we did not sleep whole night. After that we just had our lunch in the hotel itself and now we are going to Cellular Jail. And now we have reached the jail. This is how it looks. Here is my hubby taking pictures and looking smart. Hey Smarty.
हेलो, व्हाट्स अप? कैसा लग रहा है जेल देख?
मस्त लग रहा है।
सच
सुंदर जेल है।
हाँ, मतलब पुराना आर्किटेक्चर का वो है।
बाबा के भारी इटा। देख के लग रहा है कि हम टूरिस्ट हैं, ऑफ कोर्स। तो सेल्यूलर जेल के बाद हमें दिखा फुटपाथ पे कुछ शॉप्स थे एंड आई बॉट दिस हैट फ्रॉम देयर। लुक एट इट, डूइंग ऑल टूरिस्टी स्टफ and now we have come for a sundowner high tea.
So ऐसे तो the cellular jail visit was really good. We are looking forward to the light and sound show जो हमने बहुत सुना है, like it's one of the best. As we heard some like almost spine chilling stories from the guides. अब सोच के भी लगता है कि क्या होता था उस टाइम पे, and it was like the architecture just from that point of view, it is a testament of the time. बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा था अभी भी, and we clicked some good photos, but the history was really shocking. We knew a part of it, but इधर आके और ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझ आया. अभी like she mentioned, we have come for the Sundowner High Tea. It's a very good place with a sea view, and अभी music start भी हो रहा है. Amazing vibe. We are excited.
यहाँ पे अभी लाइन लगी है. हम फिर से सेल्यूलर जेल में आ गए हैं फॉर लाइट एंड साउंड शो, एंड वी आर जस्ट वेटिंग टू गेट इन. एक्चुअल में हमारा शो 6:30 से है, 6:20 को एंट्री करने दिया है. बहुत लंबी लाइन लगी थी भाई, बहुत सारे लोग आए हैं.
Yeah, even there's a queue after like we cross this hallway. There's another queue, but हाँ eventually सबके seats है ही allotted, so like no point of rushing.
And I don't think I can record that, so but I have heard that this show is very nice and it is very famous over here, so it should be like in your to do. And sunset के बाद ही आना, तो रात में अच्छे से lights और ये सब दिखेंगे, तो you will enjoy it more. We have taken the 6:30 show. The light and sound show has ended. Literally the whole jail was the canvas, and the art that they showed was too good. The story that they showed was very heartbreaking, and they literally explained the whole history of Andamans, the story of the whole jail. So it was really nice, and it's good to know more about your history.
Yes, it is actually, and the entire show like it lasted for about 40 to 45 minutes. But it was so well narrated that you will be like hooked to, like she mentioned, the entire structure of that jail was a canvas, and we had very beautiful illustrations, animations, like a first of its kind experience for me, definitely. So a good closure to day one.
Before ending, let me show you one more thing. I don't know if it will be visible, but there's this garden right in front of the jail where we are standing right now, and there's this road here, if you can see. वहाँ पे इंडिया का मैप भी बनाया हुआ है. आई थिंक थोड़ा बहुत विजिबल होगा. या आई थिंक इट्स विजिबल. Very excited for tomorrow, and we are also very happy that we have booked the whole trip through Experience Andamans.
Yes.
They have been very kind, supportive, and everything.
Very organized. Like day one was such a treat. Honestly, like everywhere they had their like coordinators. They were always checking on the WhatsApp over phone if everything is all right. Right when we were actually in the inside the show, we already got our tickets for tomorrow's cruises. So it's very organized and very well coordinated. We love the execution. It's literally like you step out, somebody is waiting for you to take to the next place, and you just enjoy your time. So we really loved. Hopefully the days to come also surprises us more.
Yeah.
So yep.
The commute has become so easy. We don't have to take any tension about anything and just enjoy whatever is planned for us. Literally सुबह के 5:30 हो रहे हैं. हम इतना सुबह जल्द कभी उठते ही नहीं है, पर आज हम उठ के पूरा रेडी हो चुके हैं, and we are all packed to leave for Havelock. Bye bye Urban Heaven. टिकट तुम्हारे पास है?
हाडो या
नहीं, टिकट आपके पास है?
हाँ, टिकट मेरे पास है.
we have boarded our cruise for Havelock, and
It's beautiful, by the way.
it's very, very pretty.
Do keep in mind to always go for the private one. So this is Nautica. I guess the other one is Macruz. We also have that for Havelock to Neil, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so it's a very luxury cruise. Like we were not expecting at all, and we have a good cafe, like a small pantry cafe inside the cruise. The seats are beautiful. We have good view. We are not allowed to take photos outside, otherwise this cruise also looked too good and splendid. But because of a strict regulation, because of the Navy, we can't click photos, so we started here.
पैसेंजर जल्दी बोर्ड करिए, डोंट स्टॉप।
ऑल्सो यहाँ पे अगर पानी चाहिए तो बस इतना बड़ा बॉटल मिलेगा. दे ओनली गिव 2 liter bottle, so we are just carrying that everywhere with us, just refilling that same bottle and carrying it everywhere. It's really surprising for me to see that it is so clean. The Andamans is so clean, the roads are so clean, the people are
Very cordial and very warm. Like overall, whoever we have met, very polite and very welcoming in general. I don't know, we have been lucky, I'm guessing, but mostly we are seeing like people overall, be it at any place or monument or any of the staff helping us, they are really good.
एंड दे आर वेरी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. मतलब ये टूरिस्ट स्पॉट है तो इसलिए उन्होंने इतने अच्छे अच्छे सब रूल्स करे कि भाई सब लाइन फॉलो करते हैं. मतलब पुलिस भी बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही है कि भाई क्राउड मैनेज करना एंड एवरीथिंग. इवन आउटसाइड सेलुलर जेल दे वर लाइक कि भाई एक साइड ऑफ द रोड पे ही चलो, दूसरे साइड से व्हीकल्स जाएंगे. या दे वर वेरी प्रोएक्टिव, सो दैट्स अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस. अब हम पहुंच गए हैं हैवलॉक.
And the cruise was amazing. जैसा हमने पहले भी बोला था, just उतरे, there's a huge queue because फिर से transit start हो रहा है. We'll now search for our guy and we'll head for the hotel.
So we were just leaving from the cruise and look at this view. So beautiful. And the water is literally so clear. I don't know if it's visible, but you can literally see the rocks, the small fishes underneath.
कलर देखो, blue fish है.
Ah, there's a blue fish here, right. It is very, very clear. Maybe we have reached our property at Dolphins, and it is so beautiful. I'll just show that to you guys now. So let's go and explore our room. And here it is. Oh my god. Here is my automatic door opener. And just look at this view. Seriously, it is so pretty. You can just see the beach from here, and it's just so unreal. We also have a balcony out here. We already went to the beach, stayed there for some time because they allow check-in after 12, and we reached early. तो हम बस chill करके आए हैं. So we have come to a cafe called Nara, and it is so beautiful. मतलब हर एक कोना इसका इतना इतना सुंदर लग रहा है. एंड वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड दिस sour spiced prawns. This is how the cafe looks. Very pretty. And here are we. Here is my chicken lasagna. We have come to Radhanagar beach, and here is the parking, and here is the market. You can come and shop here. There are nice beach clothes, crochet bralettes, so you can definitely come and shop. বলো
আমার শাখা পোলা থেকে লোক সিরিयसली स्टार्टिंग ही बांगला स्टार्ट कर दीजिए एबार हम आ गए फाइनली राधानगर बीच एंड
और कितने बजे तक होगा ये फोटोशूट?
ऐसे तो शाम को हमारा फ़ोटोशूट शेड्यूल्ड था, इसलिए हमें थोड़ा जल्दी आना था, बट सिंस सुबह से हम अपने अलग मज़े में हैं तो अभी जाके वी केम, सो वी आर लेट बाय एन आवर, बट वी आर नॉट रिपेंटिंग एट ऑल बिकॉज वी हैड द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ अ लाइफ टाइम ऑलमोस्ट. इतना मज़ा है. तो अभी हम सोच रहे हैं पहले वील जस्ट कंटिन्यू विद आवर ना फ़ोटोशूट एंड उसके बाद फिर वील एक्सप्लोर द बीच. ये राधानगर बीच इज़ वन ऑफ एशियाज़ क्लीनेस्ट बीचेस, टॉप 10 बीचेस में शायद से आता है, बट इट विल बी अ बिट क्राउडेड टुडे बिकॉज कल अंडमान में था स्ट्राइक, and that's the reason yesterday nobody could visit these places, so today ही होगा. But yeah, I'm pretty sure the cleanliness would still be there, but it won't be as empty as we would have thought. But nonetheless, we have the private beach at the property, so we are enjoying our solo time there. And idhar filhal we'll have our photo shoot and then continue with the day. Bye bye.
So after going to Radhanagar beach, we got done with our photo shoot. Then we went to the same cafe that we had gone for lunch, and then we just went to sleep for like 4 hours. And right now it's 3:15 a.m. and we are going for kayaking, and we will also see bioluminescence. We are not sure whether it will be there. There's no guarantee of that, but I'm really hoping to see it because it's been like in my dream list for a very long time.
So although it was pitch dark throughout the night kayaking area, but we tried to capture it, although it was hard as well. But look for the firefly like dots in the video.
मुझे तो भाई मोशन सिकनेस हो गई है. करो. I'm feeling much better now. Here is Dev, and we are looking at some corals. I don't know if it's visible, but it's really beautiful. The kayaking was fun. स्टार्टिंग में मुझे डर लग रहा था बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा अंधेरा था और हम लिटरली रात के 3 बजे गए वहाँ पे, बट बहुत सारे लोग थे. देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रुप्स, एंड द गाइड्स वर ऑल्सो वेरी हेल्पफुल. It is very important that you choose the right kind of guide to go there, because I could see that some were so strict कि they were shouting at the people like हाँ, तो मतलब हमारे वाले गाइड तो बहुत स्वीट थे. they were like very
पेशेंट काम आई गेस है ना.
वेरी पेशेंट.
बिकॉज इससे लाइक बहुत लोग उधर गए थे जो लोग फर्स्ट टाइम कर रहे थे पूरा एक्सपीरियंस, राइट. एंड फॉर देम लाइक दे मोस्टली वुड नीड समबडी हु इज़ पेशेंट टू गाइड देम, या कुछ अगर हो भी रहा है आसपास. कायाकिंग इन जनरल लाइक द कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड ऑल, तो उस सब में तो like these guys were fabulous. Like we leave probably the names of all these places and contacts in the description, and an amazing experience.
सो स्टार्टिंग में मुझे थोड़ा सी सिक लग रहा था, बट देन जब लाइट आई और सनराइज़ हो गया, देन आई स्टार्टेड फीलिंग मच बेटर. एंड आफ्टर कमिंग फ्रॉम देयर वी वर वेरी टायर्ड, सो वी वेंट बैक टू आवर रिजॉर्ट. और वो लोग पिकअप एंड ड्रॉप भी देते हैं बाय द वे. Kayaking was not part of our experience Andaman. This we had booked separately. So after getting back, we just slept for like 1 hour, went for breakfast, and then again changed our clothes and went to the private beach of the resort. We are literally in love with it. It's so pretty. The Dolphin Beach Resort's private beach is just too good, very beautiful. You can literally spend a whole day there and still not get bored. It is very peaceful, and the best part is that it is so secluded and it is private, so you are comfortable and you do not have any fear कि भाई चीज़ें ऐसे छोड़ दी हमने या कुछ. तो वो सब टेंशन नहीं है, एकदम टेंशन फ्री जाके तुम पानी में डुबकी लगा के आओ. And it is very clear.
Like we actually let go of one of the plans in the itinerary today. We were supposed to go to Elephanta Beach for like all the water sports and activities. There was a complimentary snorkeling as well. We let go of that because we were too tired after the kayaking, and then we had to leave in another 2 hours. And वो उधर जाते हैं तो फिर it will take the entire day. So we thought we'll hardly get to spend time in our like the private beach. So we thought anyways we are doing scuba tomorrow very early morning again, around 4:35ish we'll leave. So we thought अगर scuba हो रहा है तो ठीक है, we can let go of a few of the other things, because हम इसके बाद भी जो itinerary है we are going to Ross Island and North Bay, Port Blair जाके भी उधर भी कुछ जगहों पे there are options for water activities if we intend to, like glass bottom boat rides and all. तो हम तब देख लेंगे, तो इसीलिए we took that time off and just had an amazing, I guess 4 hours से भी ज़्यादा we just spent there.
बहुत ही अच्छा था भाई. बैठो, चिल करो. ऑल द प्लानिंग एंड एवरीथिंग देव हैज़ डन, सो ही नोज द होल आइटनरी. आई एम जस्ट फॉलोइंग हिम अराउंड in this trip. I just decided what dresses I'll wear, and that is it. Like, I think this is maturity, that we are okay to let go of some places just to be in our comfort zone and enjoy that place and that moment and time together. So that is the most important thing, spending time together over here. Yeah, that's it. I think we have grown up so much now.
Absolutely.
Now we have come for lunch to something different cafe. The name is something different.
I'm surprised by the amount of good cafes they have in Havelock, because I, like you guys know, we are cafe lovers and we are just on a hunt for good cafes, and here I guess the days are less and the cafes are more, and this place has been like, she got the name of it from some reviews or review portals or something, and then we ended up being here, and it's amazing. It's on the beach front. The vibe is very different and we have been loving it so far. So we'll show you the food as well. Thank you.
Thank you. tonight was our candlelight dinner, and Experience Andaman has arranged it so beautifully. It was literally beside the seashore, and the food was also good, and the vibe was also nice. और बहुत ही मस्त ठंडी ठंडी हवा आ रही है, हम गप्पे कर रहे हैं, खाना खा रहे हैं, मज़ा आ गया.
रोमांटिक सेटअप
Yes.
एकदम ही मतलब we were not expecting, again like most of the things we have experienced so far, कि इतना proper setup होगा. Of course we knew that there is a dinner that is planned, but this was really very dreamy, a good setup. We loved it, we enjoyed a good time. We clicked some photos. They actually helped us click a lot of photos. That's
Yeah.
almost the first thing they did, and it was good. We completed our dinner almost half an hour back, and then we were just enjoying the amazing beach. The sea is pretty on the high tide, so we were enjoying the waves crash almost to our feet, and the sky is superbly clear. So we literally have been stargazing for probably 15 minutes now.
बहुत स्टार्स है भाई, इतना क्लियर स्काई है, एंड द स्टार्स लुक वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. See, if I show you, there are many candlelight dinner setups. Many people have come together. Few are done, so they are just packing up also. कुछ उन्होंने अभी उठा भी दिए setups. And the sky has very beautiful stars. I cannot show you right now because of the trees, but when I was on the shore it was there. I'll probably add a picture here for you. कल कैंडल लाइट डिनर के बाद हम बस घर आए और सो गए. वी स्लेप्ट फॉर like 4 hours and then we got up because we had to go for scuba diving. Or scuba diving was also not part of the package of Experience Andaman, but they did help us to book, and they booked everything for us. How much did it cost?
It was 7,000 for 2 people. We did shore diving. Boat diving is 5,500, so it's 11 for a couple if somebody does boat diving.
We enjoyed a lot. It is one of a kind thing that like to do in life. तो बहुत मज़ा आया.
So another thing that by default they would say they might say that photography and video are included, but just a note, what is included is in HD. So if you are looking for 4K footages, then you have to pay another 500 per person. So we didn't know that earlier, but when we saw, we thought that okay, anyways it's once sort of a thing that we'll be doing, so it's best to go for 4K, so we paid that 1,000 extra.
After that we just got home, discussed our experience and I just took a quick nap for 30 minutes and then we started packing like crazy. हमने 3 दिन थे ना,
2.5 days.
2.5 days में हमने रूम को मेस बना रखा था. सारे कपड़े इधर उधर सब कुछ, लिटरली इट वाज लाइक वी आर रीपैकिंग. फटाफट पैक किया, फिर ब्रेकफास्ट करने गए and then we actually got late during checkout, but the experience Andaman, people knew that we are running late, और हमारा क्रूज़ था, तो हमें वो लेने के लिए लेट हो रहा था. तो दे इवन प्रिपेयर्ड आवर बोर्डिंग पास कि हमको बस आके सीधा एंटर करना है और कुछ भी नहीं करना है. सो दैट वाज अ रियली नाइस थिंग दैट दे डिड.
Things like these make your experiences better, right? We have been on time pretty much the entire trip. This is the first time we got a bit late because भाई सुबह activity था, आके pack and everything, breakfast. So this was the first time we were running a bit late and we were a bit scared क्योंकि Port Blair में the boarding process is long, like it's almost 1 to 1.5 hours it takes, depending on the crowd, because the security checks are high. But we didn't know that over here in Havelock it's a bit lenient, but still we thought that the check-in line, the boarding pass line is still pretty long. Anytime we have seen they went an extra step to get the boarding pass and check-in details, everything ready. We just literally had to come to the jetty to board the cruise, that's all.
Do not mind my mint. I'm having mint right now to avoid motion sickness in sea. ये मिंट बड़ी मस्त है. अच्छी
इधर ही मिली Fox mints, I guess imported
nice.
from Indonesia. We had it for the first time. बहुत मस्त था.